In this video, we are going to see how to remove your old dirty air filter from HVAC system and replace it with the new one. Welcome to our channel Citrus Home and Garden. So for this project, I'm going to use this Aprilaire air filter. The model number is 510. But you need to find your exact model. And there is an easy way to find it out. So go to your HVAC system and take out this front panel. On the back side of that front panel, you can see all the details needed. In this case, my model number is 1510-2516 and it supports 4 kinds of filters: 510, 513, 513CB and 516. We'll talk about it soon. So out of these 4 filter models, you can pick one of these based on your home situation and the air quality you want. In these pictures, you can notice what kind of air quality you get based on the filter selection. For example, you can get protected from pollen, bacteria, dust, etc. In my case, I picked the first one, which is 510 for clean air. Basically, it protects from bacteria, pollen, mold spores, pet dander and dust. On one side of the box, you can see 3 easy steps to install this air filter. Let's do a quick unboxing. So you can see in the box, it's just air filter, bright white and pretty soft fabric. So let's get to the HVAC system. It's in my second level attic. This is the front panel. And you can see all these outlets going from the HVAC system to those respective rooms. So remove this front panel and take out this old dirty filter. This is the air passage. The air flows from left to right. Now you can see what happened to my old air filter over the period of 6 months. I think that's not enough for me. I need to replace it often, probably 3 to 4 months. Let's take out the new filter and start the installation process. Let's take a quick look at this sticker on the air filter. Basically, it is telling us the direction of the air and we have to install the filter accordingly. So hold the filter and slide it carefully. There will be 2 slots, one at the top and one at the bottom. So you can start with any slot, but wherever you start, don't push it all the way. Adjust the other slot and then slide them together. Attach the front panel. And there you go. take the old filter, put it in the same box, and you can just recycle it. And that's pretty much it. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.